We will proceed to row 11. After 7 chains, we flip over and then we fill in the shell loop with shell. 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 3 chains and another 3 double crochet into the same loop. 2, 3. Okay, then 3 chains, 2, 3. Go to the pineapple loop for 1 single crochet. 5 chains for the pineapple and 1 single crochet. Next loop, 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, and pineapple loop for 1 single crochet. 3 chains, fill in the shell loop with shell. 3 double crochet, 3 chains and another 3 double crochet into the same loop. 2, 3. Here we have 1 chain space, okay? Don't forget the 1 chain space. I'll let you fill in this loop with shell and then 1 chain space and fill in this loop with shell and continue with 7 chains, and I will see you for next row. This is row 11. We will proceed to row 12. After 7 chains, we flip over and then we fill in this loop with 3 double crochet cluster, the shell pattern, okay? Two, 3. 1, 2, 3 chains and another 3 double crochet. Okay, and 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Here we fill in 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we continue with 3 chains and fill in shell here. I'll let you continue. Okay, you fill in shell here and then 3 chain pineapple, 3 chain and fill in another set of shell and 7 chains. I will see you next row. We will proceed to row 13. This is the 7 chains and then we flip over or we turn over, we fill in the shell loop with shell. 3 double crochets, 3 chains and another 3 double crochet in the same loop. Okay. Then we continue with 3 chains and go to the pineapple loop for 1 single crochet. This is the last loop, and 3 chains, fill in this loop with shell. Three double crochets, 3 chains, and another 3 double crochet. Here we will start our pineapples again. So we have 3 chains, 1 double crochet into this double crochet stitch and 1 chain. 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet, 1 chain. 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and this is our last double crochet. 3 chains, and I'll let you continue just to fill in this loop with shell with shell, and I will see you next row. Before we continue to row 14, I would like to let you know, sorry I didn't let you know before, that this loop we have to fill in 3 sets of 3 double crochet with 3 chain space. Okay, if you have not yet, then you just add 3 chains and 3 double crochets. Then we will proceed to row 14. As usual, we flip over. Then we fill in this loop with shell. The shell loop with shell. 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 chains, and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we have 5 chains here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we fill in this loop, the shell loop with shell. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet, 3 chains, and another 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we go to our pineapple with 3 chains, and then go to the first 1 chain space with 1 single crochet, and then 5 chains for the pineapple. 5 chains, 4, 5 for the pineapple. Okay, I'll let you continue this pineapple, and then here we just fill in one set of shell and go direct to fill in another set of shell in this loop, then 7 chains, and I will see you next row. Okay, I will show you how to do this at row 14. So 3 chains, and we will have another shell, then we go direct to this loop for 3 double crochet, three chains, and another 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chain. We flip over, we go to this loop. Okay, this is row 15 for 3 double crochet, this loop we only have 3 double crochet, and then we go direct to this loop for the shell pattern. 3 double crochet, three chains, and another 3 double crochet. Okay, then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and go to the pineapple loop for single crochet. 5 chains for a pineapple pattern. Okay, and I will let you continue to do the pineapple. Okay, the shape is becoming so weird there. So you continue the pineapple, fill in this 3 loop with shell type, and I will see you next round. We will proceed to row 16. After 7 chains, flip over, go to the first loop, the shell loop. We will fill in shell, 3 double crochet, three chains, and another 3 double crochet into the same loop. Okay, here we'll continue direct to the loop, the other loop, the shell loop. We will fill in 3 double crochet, 3 chains, and 3 double crochet. I will let you continue this row. Okay, just fill in the shell direct, no chain space, and then 3 chains and do the single crochet and start the pineapple with 5 chains. Here you will have 3 chains and fill in the shell here. Then 7 chains, and I will see you for next round. 17. We already at the end here. We fill in this one, we leave it, and we have already do our 7 chains. Flip over. We will continue with row 17. So we will fill in this loop, the shell loop with shell. 3 double crochet, three chains, and another 3 double crochets in the same loop. Next is the pineapple. We will have 3 chains and then go to the pineapple loop for single crochet. Start the pineapple with 5 chains and single crochet. 5 chains and single crochet. Then we will have 3 chains, and I will let you to fill in the shell with 1 chain space, okay? Shell, 1 chain space, and shell, and then 7 chains. I will see you for next round. We are at the end of row 17. Don't forget the 1 chain space here. And we will continue to row 18. Fill in the loop, the shell loop with shell. 3 double crochet, 3 chains, and another 3 double crochets in the same loop. Okay, then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Fill in this loop with 7 double crochet. 7 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, then continue with 3 chains, and we'll fill in this loop with shell, the shell loop with shell. 3 double crochets, 3 chains, and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. We go to pineapple. We start with 3 chains, and I will let you continue for the pineapple and 1 more shell. Okay, then I will see you for next round. This is the end of row 18. We will proceed to row 19. After 7 chains, we fill in shell in the loop, the shell loop, the first loop. 3 double crochet, 3 chains and another 3 double crochets. 2, 3. Okay, this is row 19. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Go to the loop, pineapple loop, the last loop of pineapple. For single crochet, continue with 3 chains and fill in the shell loop with 3 double crochets. 3 chains and another 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Here we will have 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And we will continue to do 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 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 and 1 more last double crochet. 3 chains, and I will let you continue to fill in this shell loop. This time is not 2 sets but 3 sets of 3 double crochet cluster with 3 chain space. Okay, 3 sets. Okay, like this one. Okay, like this one, 3 set here. Okay, now I will just fill it in for you. This is row 19. Okay, then here I just fill it in for you. One set. We have another set. We have 3 more chains and 3 more double crochets. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and continue with 7 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is row 19. Okay, and this is row 19, and I would like to let you know that starting row 20, you repeat row 14 to 19. So here you repeat row 14 to 19 up to row 42. Then I will see you for row 43. Okay? Happy crochet, just continue. See you at row 43.